Welcome to this Sound of Eating practice by EmotionsBite. Before you begin your meal, take a slow, steady breath and prepare to shift your attention inward. When you're ready to take your first bite, notice the sounds it creates. Perhaps a crunch, a soft chew, or something more subtle. Listen with curiosity, as if hearing these sounds for the very first time. As you continue eating, notice the sensations in your body. Feel the texture meeting your teeth, tongue, and jaw. Become aware of the rhythm of chewing, the pauses between bites, and the gentle act of swallowing. With each bite, return your focus to these sounds and sensations, allowing them to ground you in the present moment. Through this mindful attention, eating becomes more than just a meal. It becomes an opportunity for awareness and presence.